Hey, welcome Bigfoot's Cave. Brought back some my grandfather's, his brothers, my great grandfather's. We're not 100% sure, but brought back old soldering irons, literal soldering irons, not the plug-in ones. So, and there's a couple other little goodies along with it. So, if you want to hang out, let's go check it out. Hey, welcome back to the cave. This one is stuff that I got from my great grandfather's tool chest, which is probably could be some of his, my grandfather's brother. Not a whole 100% sure where it came from, but it just came from it's passed on through the family, so I'm happy with it. So this one isn't gonna be long. Primarily a lot of the same things, but a whole bunch of old, different shapes. The size of the handles on them bad boys. All right, dropping stuff. It definitely been used and cleaned up. And you see they got different head widths, different shapes. Even got smaller ones. That one have been sent around the corner. Smaller ones and a real tiny one. And I got a nice little ladle here. But if anybody's seen my other video on that fuel torch that I started to polish up, but still haven't finished polishing up, those will go great with that. This is in there. Remember right, these are for dressing the stones on wheels. Could be wrong, but I swear that's a dressing tool. Then I got a couple of these. That one needs a lot of work. Newer one. It's aluminum. That one's a mess. Don't know if any of these I can clean up to reuse or not. This one I'm definitely going to try to get cleaned up. It says SW Card Manufacturing Company. It says gear up in the right corner. Haven't done any research on this one yet. I got this one. That one's definitely an old one. I couldn't tell you the last time I saw one that supported three different cutting heads in it. Wiley Russell Manufacturing out of Greenfield, Massachusetts. This will be a fun one to clean up and get all tidied and good to go. Oop. So appreciate everybody that watches, subscribes, likes, dislikes, whatever's. It's all good. Enjoy the feedback. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a good day. Be safe. Good luck in the hunt.